everyone. Welcome to our live broadcast. I'm Michelle. This is the all-star broadcast room for you of ISLE 2021 International Intelligent Display and System Integration Exhibition, which is jointly organized by Canton Fair Advertising, China Foreign Trade Guangzhou Exhibition, and Shenzhen High Fair Exhibition and Technology. Thank you for coming into our studio on time and watching the exhibition online with us. So today, our star company are ready. We have invited Shenzhen CLT Electronic to be our guest in ISLE All-Star Studio. So let's welcome Zoe, the sales manager of America, and Amy, the sales manager of our Europe, to our ISLE All-Star Studio. So girls, please say hello to our friends in the studio first.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Zoe, the sales manager of CLT.
Hello, everyone. My name is Amy. I'm the EU sales manager of CLT. I'm very glad to here attend to ISLE's All-Star Studio.
Okay, so Amy, could you please briefly introduce your company, that Shenzhen CLT Electronics?
Yes. Shenzhen CLT Electronics belongs to CLT Group. It including 5 parts. Shenzhen CLT Electronics, here in referred to as to CLT, and CLT Property Company, CLT Electronic Trading Company, and the Private Club. CLT was established in 2007, and our company focuses on LED display business, including 2 categories: professional LED display and commercial LED display. What's more, in our LED industry, we are the first one to give the concept of commercial LED display in 2015. Now, CLT headquarters located in Shenzhen City. Our operating base has moved to Huizhou City. Till now, CLT covers 120,000 square meters with more than 400 plus employees. And our products have obtained about 140 patents plus, and we are on the way to getting more. Also, our products has shipped to more than 10,000 some countries and areas.
Well, actually, I heard that CLT are the first company in 2050 to bring up the concept of commercial LED display. So, Zoe, shall we know how to define it?
Yes, we are. We are the first one to launch this concept and the export in the same year. And the same year we launched our first generation of export. If we use the simple words to summarize the feature of the export, that I would say the first one is standardization, user level, high resolution, interactive, networking, interactive experience and scenarios.
Okay, so I think that's quite interesting. And could you please tell us more about your export in details?
Yes, as for the standardization, there are 4 standard sizes: 108, 135, 163, and 216 inch, which are available for different range of attendees, around 20 to 300 people. Secondly, it is since the fine pitch from 1.2 to 2.5, the resolution will be 2K for standard and 4K for optionals. Third one is the UDIS plug and play, so you can just play the content automatically after inserting the USB. And also it's supporting the Android system, so it will helpful for you to operate easily. So it's very easy and simple for the operate.
Yes, thanks, Joey. Following, I will give you more details about our export. Fifth, our export supports 4G, 5G class control, and it also supports dual Wi-Fi. Dual Wi-Fi is very important feature. That means the export can share Wi-Fi signal when it accesses internet. And the most important features is about remote video conference. You know, nowadays our daily life and business life changed too much. People can't meet together. you can't meet your customers or the clients very often. So consequently, a very clear and high-end remote video conference has become much popular and necessary. Our export can realize it because it is compatible with most famous conference systems, such as Zoom meetings, Cisco protocol structure, and also our export with a very special feature. It is about one screen share. That means you can share your device screen with our export via CLT designer device. That means no need any cables or no need communicating when you are doing meeting or presentation. And then every attendees can hear your voice or can make interacting with you. This is very convenient features. The last, our export also supports multi-screen connection. That means you can enlarge your export size if your meeting room is much bigger. So following, let's have a short video to show you our audience and clients. You will understand what we are talking about.
Well, after having this video with a lot of information, that I would love to ask Zoe that how does CLT promote the product? Do you guys have any plans on it?
Yeah, so actually we got a plan as expert is to hold the forum in hundreds of cities in China. where we can show our concept and our product to our potential customers and our key customers. Actually, next stop for the forum is to be held in Zhengzhou City, Henan Province. Actually, we attended all kinds of the exhibition show every year from Shenzhen to Guangzhou to Beijing. Even we go abroad, but especially before the epidemic. So we will show our new generation of product in this ISLE exhibition show. Welcome for visiting our booth.
Okay, so Amy, we all know that nowadays commercial display have occupied a major share of the market. So how do you consider for the professional display market?
Thanks, Bishop. This is very good questions. Actually, say in the fields of advertising, signature, security, and professional LED display still occupy a large market share. But the professional LED display has lots of competitive, and different clients has different needs. But in contrast, the commercial LED display market share is increased a lot since 2019, especially in the fields of meetings, education, CCTV, hotel, public areas such as airport, transportation, bus station, metro station. The commercial LED displays has a lot of market share. Also, our CLT always needing a commercial LED display market, and we have implemented the concept of making LED display smarter and simpler. In the same time, CLT has continued to innovate our product, such as for the product design, product performance, and different product size, different resolutions. Also, for next year, the exhibition will bring our new products, 4K all-in-one LED display, to our booth. So here we warmly welcome our audience and our customers to visit our booth to check our real products.
Oh, that's a very good idea. And Zoe, would you please share with us that what is the leading series then in commercial LED display, and how CLT export take up the most of the market share in the segmentation of the market?
Of course, it's our export because it is similar to a television. If you know how to use the television, there you go. You can choose our all-in-one LED display. It is the user-friendly that even common people without professional technical team are well aware of the operation and installation. So as to expand more huge markets like real estate, furniture companies, and so on. However, it is more than a television. It equipped with more intelligent functions such as the remote video conference, virus smart terminal control to give our professional clients more integrated solutions. So they can integrate light, audio, home theater, and other solutions to offer the additional value to the all-in-one LED display.
Okay, so Amy, could you please share with us that what are the advantages in terms of production and technology of CLT commercial LED display?
Okay, thanks, Mishra. We actually say we are the first one to bring up a commercial LED display concept in 2015, and we are the first company to publish release the technical standard for 5-pitch LED display, commercial display, and we are the first one to produce the all-in-one LED display. Now currently, the all-in-one LED display becomes much popular. The all-in-one LED display has many unique advantages, such as in terms of energy saving. Standard by power consumption is less than 0.5 watts. Such as in terms of eye protection, our all-in-one export has implemented an environment adaptive eye protection mode. Also, it is for standard by 16:9 ratio, Full HD door-to-door display. It is also much suitable for government tenders.
Okay, thank you for letting us know those information. And could you please share with us that then what do you think will be the next development trend of all-in-one LED display?
Yes, given the current situation, application fields such as the smart conference, smart government affairs, smart medical care, smart education, smart security will become popular trends. The high efficiency and the collaborative needs of work, life, and learning will make the all-in-one LED display market grow rapidly. All-in-one LED displays still have a lot of room for the market in the future. So the demand of the end users, such as government agency, enterprises, and institution, hospital, and school architecture will be huge. We mentioned a lot of the Expo is how it's so easy to operate and install easily. So in next video, we can see how to operate the Expo easily and simply.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, here is Jeanine from CLT. Now, I will show you the features of our export mirror LED display. One button to turn off and turn on. In the era of functional product, wireless high integration all-in-one products are emerging endlessly until the export comes out. Export support intelligent terminals remote controller to operating. When we have a meeting, we can rely on the remote control to easily operation of wireless functions of export, such as app switching, variable adjustment, and file turning. And also, export support operating by flip pen wireless mouse. If you need to ensure the confidentiality and mobility of the data during the conference, our screen is equipped with a wireless screen projector as standard. We can use the wireless screen projector to transmit data. Insert it directly into the interface of the terminal device and switch the button. In order to facilitate the use of conference, users can use the screen projectors through multiple terminals such as mobile phone, iPads, and tablets. We have also added multi-level interactive writing capabilities to the products. Conference participants can interact in time to modify the contents and sit and share. Which makes easy and fast to achieve paperless meeting. Not only that, 4 size suitable for wireless, large, medium, and small conference rooms. Export is also suitable for many other scenarios. Our export supports remote video conferencing and multiple video windows. Use the remote control to switch the export signal source and open the video conference interface. With dial operation, no matter where the participants in your meeting are, they can timely interact and accurately convey their opinions and share ideas and resources during the meeting. Highly intelligent commercial display CLT export, continuous innovation, non-stop breakthrough, no rivals.
information I would love to ask Amy is that, as you just mentioned, CLT have three major sectors. Could you please let us know how more about your commercial LED display products?
Yes, our commercial LED display including three parts. The first one is all-in-one export, and then the second one is for color stabilization X Smart. The third one is for total digital exposure screen. The X Smart is including for different pixel pitch from P1 to P3. It is both for color stabilization, it's good for shopping mall, hotel, and education as well. And for the post LED screen, we have two versions. The one is for semi-stabilization, exposed Pro with 83 inch. And the second is for cost-effective with 83 inches. We call it for exposed Eco. That means if the customers prefer for cascading modules, they want to use the exposed screen for small events or DJ shows, parties, or quick conference. So the exposed Pro would be a good choice because the clients can get a very HD LED wall with seconds, no need any complicated settings, no need a professional technician guide to debug it, and no need any actual devices. But if our customers' budget is very limited and they prefer to use the exposed screen for a single unit in different places, so the exposed Eco would be the alternative choice. And both of these two kinds of exposed screen, they support for Wi-Fi control like by USB, 4G, 5G, and it also supports for the cloud control. That means if our customers have many exposed screens in different cities or different shopping malls, so it also can use our exposed cloud control. This is all about our exposed Pro. And for this exhibition, we also bring our semi-stabilization exposed Pro in our booth. So we welcome our audience and customers to visit our real products in our booth.
Oh, wow, okay. So what does CLT expect from this ISLE exhibition?
As this worldwide pandemic is lasting almost for a year and a half, we failed to visit clients face-to-face due to the social distance responsibilities. Now, thanks to ISLE organizer, we can take advantage of such an amazing platform to present our products, to present our latest achievement and solution and our product to everyone in the world. Really a good chance to not only promote our brand, CLT and Colette, but also to revive the economy for every country. We know crisis and opportunity do always coexist. And it is true that the COVID-19 crisis has boosted demands for the monitors, interactive screen, collaboration software. Therefore, hope all of us seize this chance to get communicated right away, stay healthy, stay positive for the LED display industry.
Okay, so I believe according to this interview, the audience around the world would have a general understanding of CLT.
Yes, actually, say for next year, we not only bring our commercial LED display into our booth, we also have our new brand, Co-LED. So for our Co-LED, including the three parts of our products for all-in-one export, X Smart, and our exposed Pro, and we also bring our LCD for education and our 3D LED display in our booth. So our CLT not only focus on commercial LED display, also focus on the professional LED display. So it doesn't matter how about your project or how about your customer needs. You will find good solutions from our CLT. So as to our audience and our customers have any idea about our CLT, here I will show a video about our company and welcome our customers to email or call us at any time.
CLT Electronics was founded in 2007 with registered capital of RMB 16.18 million.
CLT specialized in professional LED display and commercial LED display business, integrating R&D, design, operation, marketing, and service. National high-tech enterprise serving one, and Shenzhen well-known brand enterprise. CLT has nearly 400 employees, 120,000 square meters of R&D and operation base, and has gained more than 17 technology patents in Europe, America, Asia, Africa, and Oceania, etc. The products has been sold to over 100 countries around the world with 10,000 successful projects.
Well, after having a lot of this information about CLT, I would love to express my sincere appreciation to all of you, the audience, to watching our broadcast. And also, in the ISLE exhibition, we also have more star companies to visit our all-star broadcasting room. And I think this is some information that everyone considering in this industry cannot miss. So I think we've been finished our interview today. So please, Zoe and Amy, we should say goodbye to our audience, and we would love to see all of you in the other broadcast room. So bye-bye.
Bye bye. See you next year.